What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new here, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified with every video I post. We're on the road to 5K. We're almost there. We got less than 200 away, so make sure you guys subscribe and make sure you tell your friends. And also make sure you guys follow me on all my social media platforms. It'll be in the description box below. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be taking y'all on my wash day routine and my hair routine, what I kind of do on a regular basis. Really just to show y'all how to get like a really good braid out. It's like voluminous and like full and fluffy and stuff and soft. So I'll also show you guys my wash day routine, what I'm currently using, and like y'all just gonna see me like wash my hair in deep condition, all that stuff. So y'all can see it like every state and see the process on how I do my hair on a regular basis. And this is how my braid out look from the video. We'll get more detail about that during the video, but yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. We're gonna get straight into this video, but make sure you guys subscribe. But we are really on the road to 5K, so make sure you subscribe. But if you guys are interested in watching my wash day routine and hair routine all in one video, this is like a vlog style thing. Make sure you guys keep on watching. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I already recorded the intro, so I don't need to go through all that. But anyway, so yeah, like I said in the intro before anyways, this is gonna be my hair routine, wash day routine, basically both in one video. So but this is gonna be like a vlog version, so I'm not about to sit it down, prop the camera. I'm not doing all that, okay? So yeah, we're gonna do it a vlog style. So I'm gonna be just basically showing you guys all the products I use and the routines I do, and like all the steps, like self-explanatory. But before we get started, sorry if I have like white stuff on my hair. I'm about to wash it, but before we get started, I do have to do a quick intermission on the kitchen because I'm gonna show y'all my wash routine and stuff in the sink. I will do it in the shower, but like I don't have those pretty-ass showers. Like my shower is literally basic, and plus I don't know how to do the bathroom setup and stuff like that. Like, you know how the girls do it, but I'm just gonna do it in the sink how we did it back in the day when we were kids. But first we're gonna take a cleaning intermission now. Okay, so we're back from the intermission. I just had to clean up for a second, but now we're about to wash my hair. So first, I'm going to start off with this Creme of Nature Soften and Moisture Replenish shampoo. It's in this gray, creamy look. So gray. So I've been trying this out, and I actually like this shampoo and the conditioner to match. The Creme of Nature Clay and Charcoal line, I think I really do vibe with this better than the hair mask that I'm going to be using. This is the Creme of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil hair mask. No lie, I kind of like the conditioner better than the hair mask, but I'm gonna try it again just to make sure. But this is the hair mask I'm going to be using. So I'm literally just going to just put this on my hair and literally sit in my hair for a couple hours, and then I'm gonna come back and like rinse it out and stuff when I do that. And then I'm deep conditioning with this bag. Like when I get done, I'm gonna tie this bag on my head, and then this is like the scrunchie, so like water won't like drip on your clothes and stuff. I definitely recommend getting one of these, so your hair won't be dripping everywhere. Shaking my hair pretty much everywhere because this is the kitchen, but y'all can see, yeah, I'm about to wash my hair and deep condition it, and yeah, y'all just gonna watch the whole process. So keep on watching. show y'all my hair so I can put it in a plastic bag. And this is how it looks with conditioner in it. Your girl's getting length. Can I get a length? See it? I know y'all do. Probably need my ends clipped. But yeah, I'm about to put this in the baggie. And then literally I'm going to have this in my hair for a while. For a couple hours. So yeah, that's really nothing for y'all to really see. Just more me recording, having a bag in my head for hours. So it's how I do it. You can either get like a clip or something. I just put a little bit more conditioner on my hands and I literally like bring it in a ponytail. So I'll make sure I have some conditioner and hair mask on my edges. So, and then I put it in like a little bun. Okay, got it. Then I just put it in a little bun and bring it around town. So then I just tie it around with a ponytail holder, tuck it in. And then put this under just in case, because as it's in the bag, okay, I don't know if you can hear me. As I sit in the bag, I feel like my hair would be dripping. So I just definitely put this on while my hair is on it. So I don't have no type of drippage. Yeah. Just playing. Booyah. That's it. So I got stuff in my eye. But yeah, that's it. So I'm literally going to have this sitting in my bag for a couple hours. I might put another one on because I feel like it's got a hole in it. I'm not sure. But yeah, I might stop under the dryer for a little bit so it can really saturate. But I'm literally going to have this like on my head for a couple hours. So yeah, girl. I'll be back when we do the rinse out with some style. We're going to do a little braid out. So I can show you guys how to get the big voluminous hair. So yeah, stay tuned. I got old kids, man, on their ass. I got problems on my whole ass. Top my lab with man, pop a nigga like the damn thing. Slapping on their ass. I just bought a old jet, yeah, it's so bad. Smoking proper, you a check, yeah. All I smoke is that. Don't you ask me where the pole at, where your clothes at. I ain't talking about my niggas too, but y'all tripping too. Is the truth? Tell my nigga what the hell got into you. Project people, y'all was moving in the hallway. I was getting to school. All my P's and Q's. All them chiggers call me chickaboo. Y'all, it is 10:43. Couple hours later. Is this too much light? I don't know. The ring light's literally like in my skin. Okay. But yeah, it is 10:43. I've been doing hair all day, so we started pretty late. Okay, so this is how my hair after the deep conditioner's out. This is what's given. So now I'm about to use Mielle. It's kind of crinkly, no lie. But I'm using Mielle's leave-in conditioner. So I'm about to put that on my hair. A bunch of it. Literally rub it in. I need to get me a spray. Gotcha. Got one. I need to get me a spray bottle. Because when you have that low porosity hair, y'all know everything sucks up. I feel like parting my hair, sectioning all this leave-in conditioner, like how they do in the videos. I'll just rub it in. Like you can tell the difference with product, no product. Shrinkage is real. Like literally. Okay, now so I'm just about to literally, pretty sure all the product is in. Make sure I rub the ends. Really get them ends. Y'all, my hair is, well, like I said, it's every video, but I feel like my hair is just growing so good. So, so happy. Like, look at this. Never in a million years. This is probably the healthiest my hair has been since the womb. Okay? What's that? Where's that at? Is that bra strap? Something like that. Then I'm taking this Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. I'm gonna double check and make sure these two products mixed. I think they did, because I think that's what I used last time on my hair. Yep, they mix. Okay, so. Oh, if y'all always want to test your products, y'all leave in if it works with your curling cream. All you gotta do is squirt a little on your hand. Get a dab of that, rub it together. And if it got that smoothie taste, oh, they work together. But if not, you will see all the product clumping together. That means they don't mix. So these two mix. So I'm just spraying a little bit of water. Get a little smoothie. I mean, that's the little curling whip. Combing that in. So I like to do individual braids instead of the flat braids. I feel like the flat braids do not elongate. I don't show my true potential in my hair. I feel like it don't really elongate my hair how it wants to be. And I feel like with the individual braids, I feel like I see the most value in my hair when it grows over time. And the definition is definitely better. So individual braiding is where it's at. This one was way too small. I could have done a bigger one. What's I'm gonna do next? I'm gonna do a bigger one next time, but this one was way too small. When I get to the ends, I do just some twists. And then finger curl it. Literally, that's it. And these two products make my hair really soft. I tried these before the last time I did my hair. It had my hair really soft. So I'm just gonna be sticking into this combo for a minute until I find a new combo that'll work probably even better. And I'm just gonna twist the ends. Booyah. Alright, so these are the three look. Whatever. So basically I'm just about to braid the rest of my hair, and I can just keep watching when I do that. So y'all, so this is how the braids look when they're done. So I feel like this lighting is so weird. Alright, so I'm very tired. I have to be at work in like 3 hours if I go, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm very tired. So yeah, gonna let these dry, then we're gonna come back for the takedown. We're about to use this Creme of Nature coconut milk to take down my hair. So look at my hair. Okay, so this is not the original braid out I did on what y'all seen. So this is another braid out because the first one I did was my hair was still wet when I took it down, so I tried it again like that same day. So this is another set of braid out, but it's still, I use the same products and everything, so definitely want to let y'all know that. But it really looks super flimsy. I don't know why it's sticking up like that. But yeah, so we're gonna go in with this coconut milk essential oils. And then, yeah, we're gonna try to take down my hair. And this is the final look of my hair. What y'all think? What y'all think? Like really defined, if y'all can see it, like super defined. So this is literally the final look. This is day one, and then over time it gets like bigger and then stretched out more, because once you put it in like a pineapple at night and put your bonnet on, so when you take it out, it's like stretches your hair out and then just makes it more overall more fluffier and softer. Like, so my favorite days is really like day 2, day 3 hair, just because how big it looks. But that is really it for this video. If you guys have any questions on what I use and just any questions in general about your hair or my hair or whatever, please let me know in the comments. I will respond to all your questions. And let me know how you think my hair looks. But yeah, let me know if you try any of those products. But yeah, anything y'all want to know, let me know in the comments. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And yeah, but I will talk to you guys in the next video.